Are you tired of complicated payment apps and messy transaction tracking? Today we are looking at Settlemate, an app designed to simplify payments, bills, and financial tracking. I will show you how it works and give you an honest review. Let's dive in. What is Settlemate? Settlemate is a mobile app that helps individuals and groups manage payments, split bills, and track money easily. Whether it's sharing rent with roommates, splitting dinner bills with friends, or sending money to family, Settlemate promises a smooth and hassle free experience. How Settlemate works. Here's a quick tutorial on how it works. Sign up, download the app, and create your own account in just a few steps. You can link your bank account or cards securely. Add transactions. You can add expenses manually or select from past transactions. For group expenses, you can tag friends or family. Settlemate allows you to divide bills evenly by percentage or custom amounts. Send and request money. You can request money from others or send it directly through the app. Settlemate notifies the recipients instantly. Track payments. The app keeps a clear record of who owes what, so no more awkward money reminders. Pros and cons. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Pros. Simple and easy to use interface, great for group expense tracking, instant notifications and reminders, secure transactions. Cons. Limited to supported banks in some regions, some advanced features may require a premium account, small learning curve for first time users. Security and privacy. Security is crucial with any payment. Settlemate uses bank level encryption to protect your data and transactions. Your personal information and linked accounts are secure, and the app also allows you to enable additional verification for safety. Extra features. Beyond payments and bill splitting, Settlemate offers extra features like automatic payment reminders, monthly expense summaries, and analytics. This makes it not just a payment app, but a simple financial management tool for everyday life. User experience and interface. The app is designed to be user friendly with a clean and intuitive interface. Navigation is simple, and you can access your expenses, friends' balances, and reports with just a few taps. Even beginners find it easy to use without spending hours figuring it out. Conclusion and recommendation. Overall, Settlemate is a solid choice if you want to manage payments and split bills without the stress. It is intuitive, secure, and perfect for personal or group use. If you deal with shared expenses often, I would definitely recommend giving Settlemate a try. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.